Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Spartanburg, or near Inman, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Duncan, Lyman, Welford, Inman, Roebuck, Campobello, Reedville, and Lake Bowen. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Lake Bowen is in the path of the storm. Get away from the water and seek shelter in an interior room in the nearest shelter. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Spartanburg, South Carolina,